Hello and welcome to today's video, and we'd like to know more about this project. But first, we'd like to know where we are and how you came to work with this client.
We are in Machakos County. This is a 3 bedroom, 100 square meter bungalow with a hidden roof. Yes.
How is this client? Did he know Precast before, or do you have to explain what Precast is to the client?
Okay, our clients, they are contractors also, so they deal with the normal stone construction. As you can see, he's currently doing the perimeter wall. So they knew about precast. They knew it has some cost savings. So they contacted us. We took them to some of our sites in Koma. We are around Kangundo Road right now. So we took them to our site. We have a Koma project that we did, two of them. So they went, they saw the project with his team, and they were happy with how precast came out, and that's why he told us to have a hybrid. He does some work. I do some works which are mainly based on precast. Then he will do the finishing aspects. Then we did a hybrid bill of quantities. Then we were able to work together.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, since this client is from the construction industry,
Yeah.
how does he view Precast right now?
He's happy.
Okay.
He's together with the wife. I know they are very, very happy with the product, and even the cost savings and the time that we took. Even he was coming to site and saying, precast is very fast." So I know in the near future he'll be joining the precast community in terms of his projects, and we will help him as much as we can if he would like to join it. But they are happy. They are
Okay.
happy with the precast technology.
Mrs.
Yeah.
Maiba, in terms of design work, did the client come with their own design or did you do the design for them?
So for this house, he chose the Moranga design, the greenhouse. She decided to adopt that design. We just made a little adjustment to achieve this. So it's more or less similar, but a bit adjusted. It's similar to the Luanda house.
Since you mentioned that you did a hybrid bill of quantities,
Yeah.
what materials did the client have beforehand
Okay.
during construction?
Okay, so he had his own team. So we were to do the foundations. We do the precast walls. He was to do the windows. So he did the own windows. So we did the roofing, and he did the electrical works and plumbing works, tile works, all the tile works. His team did it. Yeah, and the doors and the windows. So he had 4 sections. We were doing the other sections. The frame mainly, then we did the painting because we are best placed to do painting on the precast.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now, for such a house,
Mhm.
what budget in terms of where you handled the construction, how much did it come to?
Okay, normally the total cost of the BQ, if we were to do everything, was around 3.4, 3.5 million. But now we handled works of 2.7 million. Now he handled the rest. So here the contract was 2.7. The aspects that we have done: foundation, walling, roofing, and paintwork.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, for Sami, as you've heard, this client is knowledgeable about construction,
Yeah.
and we see that he has a background in doing construction work as a contractor,
Yeah.
but he adopted precast, and like they said, the client found cost savings using precast. So, to others who doubt precast technology, what would you tell them?
One thing I really appreciate is the growth that Precast is taking. Um, we have so many people are jumping in from conventional to Precast. The savings on it are very clear, and the ease with which you do your projects. So I have so many contractors who are now joining in to do Precast, and also so many clients who are coming in to do Precast, unlike the conventional, simply because you can easily know your costs without having to have big margins of error. You can easily predict what will be my cost, unlike the conventional where you have so much margin of error. So I am grateful that people are shifting to precast. And what I see from where I am is there are times that are coming that simply the conventional will be something that used to be. Because now I see people are doing like 4, 5 floors. Initially, when we started Precast, people thought Precast is for the poor. No, it's not. Now it's becoming the way to build. Especially now when you have your Precast wall, Precast lab, utarudi tu kwa mtu wa rangi tu pekee. So life has become easy, even for the contractors, even for the people who have been in the building industry for long. It is becoming something that you cannot be silent of. It is within us. It is the way. So we are really grateful for the change.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So you mentioned the roof. Is it a hidden roof or a flat roof?
Okay, this is a hidden roof. We use the butterfly design. Yes.
Just simple, exactly like the Muranga house.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's just like the Moranga project. So we are having water coming out on one side. It's just that we have not yet finished with the box gutter. We'll finish with it, but the water is coming out on one side.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Now, just as a side note and a curious question,
Yeah.
when clients approach you wanting a similar design to a previous project, what is usually their main goal behind that?
Okay, the main thing is to be within budget because that they have a defined budget. When we say this house is 3.5 million, they don't expect the cost to change from that because they see the video, what you have shown, and that's what they want. So normally we usually tell them what you see in the video, everything in your eyes is what we have priced because now it is defined. So what varies is just that now for this project we started in mid March. So what can change is just the costs, the change in prices, just a slight change, and now the distance to your site. That is the only thing that we usually change on the contract. But they know I'm getting the same house. That's why you can see even the colors are usually the same
Yeah.
because they don't want to change anything so that they say that the cost will change. So I want the same house, same budget, I'm sending you the same money. So
Okay.
that's what they are
That's
doing.
usually the main goal.
You
That's the main
just
goal.
change the name on the project name.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just the
even
name.
the documents we just change the client name, the bill of quantities we just change the new client name.
Yeah.
We adjust whether he is in Kisumu, we put in the transport for Kisumu, then we share the document.
All right.
Yes, yes.
Surrounding this house, we
Yeah.
see that the main soil here is predominantly black cotton soil.
Yes, yes.
Did you find a challenge when building the foundation?
Okay, for this area, we did mass excavation. Then the client decided to also do the whole plot. So she removed all the cotton in the plot. Then she backfilled. You can see all this is backfill. She backfilled with infills. Yeah.
Yeah, but normally it's just 1 feet deep. Cotton is not that bad. That's why I usually tell people we don't go with the option of suspended because for here it was just 1 feet. Even
Okay.
when you see even the foundation is just 1 feet deep only.
Yeah.
So we went with the normal mass excavation. Even the client saw it was not deep, so they did the whole excavation for the plot because there are two plots. They removed for one side, and that's the best way of doing your work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Maiba,
Yes.
like you mentioned, the client had their part in this construction project.
Yes. 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 Yes.
And one of those is handling the windows and the doors.
Yes. Yes.
So, is this something that they had from another project, or did they just fabricate it here?
No, they didn't fabricate. They
Okay.
had from another project they did. So they just repurposed them.
All right.
So we tuliziweka, then we removed the glasses zile za kitambo, then we did the painting again, then we put in new glasses.
Okay.
Yes.
And here, this is like an open.
Yeah, the design is open. We
Yes.
have an open, at least
Porch.
to have the breeze. Yeah, they can have their seats here. These are two plots, so they can be able to see around. They are the first people building here, so they'll be having some friends coming to borrow something.
Okay.
Yes.
I think we can see the.
We can see the inside.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, they have already closed it. Okay. You're welcome.
Okay.
So this is solar. We don't have electricity in this area.
Yes.
So this is all solar.
This house is fully solar.
Yes. So the client has the the solar panel above and the batteries here. That's why you can see they are lighting. But he has not yet finished up on all the electrical works because it was his option. But now for us, we are finishing on our sections.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you handle the ceiling, the gypsum?
Yeah, the gypsum, we did the gypsum, is part of the roofing. Gypsum is part of the roofing.
Yeah.
Then we did the painting and the floor finish. So the tiles, he's the one who handled the tiles.
All right.
Yeah.
So where are we standing now?
This is the living room area. You can see, very big. And
Yeah.
you can have this as like a dining space. So this is the living room and the dining.
Okay.
It's just like the Luanda project, the project we did in Kisumu.
Yes.
So it is just similar to that.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
And here we have the open kitchen.
Yes, we have the open kitchen. So the only thing the client has not done in this project is just the cabinets,
Yes.
but he will do them later
At his own pace.
at his own pace. So you can see we have the back door. These are his own repurposed nini. You can see even the windows, they have their own grills.
Yeah.
They are repurposed. So for us, we just did the foundation and the walls.
Yeah.
So he did this for himself.
And the countertop material is usually precast.
Yeah, this even when you come and he takes a video, he'll see
yeah,
it's
it's
precast,
precast.
and he has used the ceramic tiles in the project.
Okay.
Yeah, so the master is on this side, and we have 2 other bedrooms on this side.
Alright.
They are sharing the same washroom. So this is the common
Okay.
washroom.
Yeah.
Already done, very big and spacious. You can fit the toilet and the shower area here.
Yes.
So it fits well.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is this is the client's. He will handle this now.
Yeah, no, yeah, he has his own plumber, he has his own electrician, the tile guys are his, so he's the one doing everything.
Okay.
But we are working hand in hand because we have to advise where he may need our advice.
All right.
So this is the first bedroom.
Yes.
You can see even people are charging. Solar is working well, especially during the day. He has not yet finished on the electricals, but the main pendant light is there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
It comes out very well, and
Yeah.
it is working, so they can see.
You know, like a room without the wardrobes.
Yeah.
It feels spacious.
It's spacious.
Yes.
Now when we put a wardrobe, people start saying that it's small.
Yeah.
We usually have the wardrobe here,
Yes.
but it's still a standard.
A standard size room.
A standard size room.
Okay.
Don't worry about the colors. You know, even me, if I build my own house,
Yes.
all the tiles that I'll be remaining for all my other projects I have been building for the last 8 years.
Yes.
I have them. I have them at home, so I'll be doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You reduce the cost on tiles.
You reduce the cost. Now, if he had all this for his other projects,
Yeah.
now you see he has saved all the cost of tiles.
Yeah.
And when you put carpet, the mkeka wa mbao or the carpet, the normal carpet,
Yes.
it will come out very well.
Ah, okay.
Yes, this is the second room. You can see it is well done, finished.
All the same size as the first bedroom.
Yeah, they are usually the same size. The same size. The ceiling, but they have not yet finished. The electrical guy is still around.
Yeah.
He's working around.
Okay.
Yes, so because this was our last day,
Yes.
we told him we want to do a shoot
Okay.
so that people can see what we have done.
Yeah.
Then he can remain with the other areas. So this is the entry.
Okay.
We gave the master
Closer to the door.
closer to the door. You can see the Moranga project. We had the door here.
Yeah.
But now people complained, saying that we took the master inside. But it's still the same because now we have reduced that one, the room reduced kidogo. Because normally the bathroom would have started from around here. Okay. But we found a way of making it bigger around that side. But it still works well.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
still fits the 100 square
Yeah,
meter.
it still fits the 100 square meter.
Okay.
So this is now the entry.
Yes.
The bathroom is there, but now we can see first the bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the bedroom. He requested they have an exterior door.
Okay.
You can see the exterior door is there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now this is the master bedroom. Let me
Yeah, we have
close.
the solar inverter.
Yeah, you can see the inverter.
Okay.
So he has his own solar here. He'll finish up on everything.
Yes.
And this is the master bathroom.
Okay.
Okay, so we have the shower area, the toilet area, and now you can have like a small corner sink here.
Yeah.
But now the house is complete.
Yes.
Sasa yeye ni akitaka to move in, everything is is okay now.
Is in
with him.
place. Everything is ready.
Everything is in place. But now you can see very beautiful. And we did this for a longer period because we started in mid-March. And you see we are in October. This is October. So we did the project slowly, slowly. And that's how one's supposed to do. If you don't have all the money, people call me and tell me, Fidelis, ninaona nyumba yako inafaa ishe. You must have all the money. But I tell them that you don't have to have all the money.
Yeah.
We usually have 4 phases in our project.
Okay.
You can pay us in phases. And these phases, if you don't have money for the next phase, you can be able to tell us, stop here, let me look for more money. But the beauty is starting.
Yeah.
You need to start, you do the foundation and the walls first, you do the roof, then you can wait and do a later time.
All right.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, so guys, we've seen the house that has been done by QS Maiba in collaboration with the client, who is a contractor himself.
Yes, yes, yes.
And this is the result of the house.
Yeah.
It's inspired by the Muranga house, and a link to that video so that you'll be able to watch it.
Yeah.
So if this house has inspired you, or also the client's story, you can feel inspired and also start your construction project.
Yes. So we are going to Kikuyu, Gekambura.
Okay.
We are doing a 3-bedroom. That is the next one that we are doing. Very beautiful. The 120 square meter, just like the Kirinyaga project.
Yeah.
It is. We are kind of doing the cabinets right now. Then after that, we go to Mombasa Raha, Kilifi.
Okay.
Yeah, we have completed another 4-bedroom.
Yes.
So we'll show them.
Okay.
Yes. So we have a trip before in the next 1 week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see you in those projects.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.